तो गाइस हमने पास्ट इंडेफिनिट देखा, और इसमें हमने कुछ स्ट्रक्चर्स देखे। मैं थोड़ा सा इसको रीकैप कर रहा हूँ आपके लिए। रीकैप का मतलब है मैं दोबारा बातें समझा रहा हूँ। हमने 3 स्ट्रक्चर्स देखे, अगर आपको याद हो। सब्जेक्ट, V2 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। जैसे कल सोनिया बाजार गई, तो सोनिया went to, turn your audio off, please listen to the lecture guys. Sonia went to market yesterday. This is second form. Is this screen visible to all of you?
Yes sir.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
अगर
सर मुझे तो शेयर नहीं हो रही है।
मतलब स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही, क्लियर नहीं दिख रही?
नहीं सर, दिख ही नहीं है।
हाँ,
क्लियर नहीं हो रही है।
जिसको नहीं दिख रही उसका उपाय है, पहला उपाय है कि मैं फिर से शेयर करता हूँ, और अगर तब भी ना दिखे तो दूसरा उपाय है कि आपको तुरंत लीव करके फिर से आना होगा, फिर वो इंटरनेट आपका सही हो जाएगा। ये मैंने फिर से शेयर कर दिया। नहीं दिखा?
चलो
अब तो नहीं, अब तुरंत अब लीव की जाइए, मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ, तुरंत लीव की जाइए। So guys, okay, please turn your audio off. I think somebody child is saying something. Beta, let your mama study. Okay. So guys, what I am teaching is, that day we learned about past indefinite, and we have learned 3 structures. The first structure is subject plus V2 plus object. Such as, example is given here, Sonia went to market yesterday. It means we are talking about Sonia ki Sonia kal bazaar gayi. So if I have to say this, we have to use second form. This is mandatory. Now the second structure we learnt is subject plus started plus verb, and this verb has to be in ing form. So example is that Pooja started cooking food. In Hindi, पूजा खाना पकाने लगी. So if you have to say पूजा बाजार गई, use second form. पूजा went to market. If you have to say पूजा सब्जी खरीदने लगी, use started. पूजा started purchasing or buying vegetables. So did you understand these 2 structures or not? Each and every one.
Yes. Understood.
Yes.
Sir, sir, I have one question. Instead of the start, can we use began? Means
Yeah.
Pooja began cooking food.
100%, 100%.
Yeah. Okay.
But that is called very formal English, you know.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Is subtitle option is there?
Here in the video, maybe I think in Google, this is what Google Meet, right?
Yes, option होगा.
Yeah, option
Yeah,
CC.
Because उससे
Yeah.
easy हो जाएगा.
There has option to.
There is option, no? Subtitle option is there, I think somewhere.
CC, sir. Turn on caption.
I mean, students can turn on their screen, right? I cannot do anything from here. They have to press any button on their mobile screen. On Google Meet, there must be CC. Yeah, CC is here. See, CC is here. I can see CC, but if I do
That
this,
will help. Yeah.
it can help the students on your mobile screen, guys. If you want, you can press CC. No problem. The guys will understand. Yeah, don't worry. I am using Hindi also. Don't worry. Turn your audio off and just listen to the lecture.
Option है नीचे 3 डॉट है ना, उसमें ऑप्शन है. सो कैप्शन करके है वो ऑप्शन
यहाँ पे सीसी है, उसमें करके कर सकते.
Come on, guys. Come. You know that I sent you link around 9:59
And
something.
58.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I will just go by correct time. So please don't waste the time, guys. Start. The third structure that we learned, guys. The third structure was subject plus kept on plus verb ing and object. So in which situation can we use this structure? The situation is, let's say रीना पूरे दिन टीवी देखती रही. It means she continued. देखती रही means her देखना was continued, you know. So we can say that Reena kept on watching TV whole day or the entire day. So now if I give you 3 sentences, do you think the guys are able to change them into English? The first is,
Yes, yes, sir.
मैं किचन में गई और चाय बनाने लगी. How to say this?
I went to kitchen.
I went to kitchen and started making tea.
Okay. Then मैं 15 मिनट तक चाय बनाती रही. Now
I kept on making tea for 15 minutes.
Tea for 15 minutes.
Lovely. Perfectly fine. It proves that all of you have understood these 3 structures. Now we are moving forward, guys. Now we are coming to negative sentence because we have already completed positive sentence. See, past indefinite has only one helping verb which is used for negative and interrogative sentences. So the helping verb is did, dance India dance, or whatever, like did. We are talking about did, I was just kidding. So helping verb is did. This is the only helping verb that past indefinite has, and this helping verb is not with positive sentence. It is only with negative as well as interrogative.
Interrogative.
It is not in positive. Like in positive, what was there? Once again, I am telling you. In positive, you have already seen
I went.
that subject
I went
plus
into kitchen.
V2. Only V2. There is no helping verb. There is only main verb. You know, only V2. You are saying, okay, I went to market. I went to market yesterday. So here, this is the subject, and there is no helping verb. Direct, there is main verb. V2, main verb. But in negative, we have helping verb. So the structure is subject. Soon after the subject, you have to put helping verb did. Soon after the subject. First number is subject, second number is helping verb, and third number is not. Once you mix did and not together, you can create a short form, you can create a contraction, and that has to be didn't. You know, you can make it didn't. This is officially allowed. You can also say didn't. This is unofficial. Unofficial means you can use in speaking, but you cannot write any message or something using didn't. This is only for speaking. It means you can say did not, you can say didn't, you can, in speaking you can say didn't, but in writing you can not use didn't. Should I speak in Hindi or you understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir. Yes, sir.
Fair enough. And the main game starts that once you use did has such a power that can bring the second form into base form. You know, it has the power. So here you have to use verb first form, or you can call it base form, and the object. It means if you are using did, You are not supposed to put verb second. You will put verb first. Got the point?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So positive is I went second form, but the negative has to be I didn't go to market. It means if did is there, went turns into go. This is the logic. Second form turns into first form. So if I say that let's say Meenakshi bought a car. This is our positive sentence. But if I say something in negative, like उसने मुझे इन्फॉर्म नहीं किया, how would I say? She didn't
You didn't inform me.
she didn't inform me. If I say she didn't informed me, is it correct?
Wrong.
No.
This is wrong.
Wrong.
This is wrong. So once you say didn't, the verb has to be in first form.
First form.
Yeah. Fair enough. Now one confusion, but very important. How it is important? See. Emphatic sentence. If you want to put a lot of pressure on the positive sentence. Lot of pressure means you want to emphasize. You understand the emphasize meaning?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
एम्फेसाइज करना
जोर देके किसी बात को कहना
जोर देकर किसी बात को कहना. So you have a positive sentence, but you are putting a lot of pressure. You are saying मैं बाजार गया तो था. You are putting pressure. अरे गया था भाई, गया था. क्या जान लोगी मेरी, गया था. Like this. Then your structure changes, and here in positive sentence you have to put helping verb did. Isn't it bizarre? Strange. You have to put did, and once you put did, then your verb has to be in which form? First form. And then the object. And this is positive sentence. Let me write here. This is positive sentence. This is positive sentence. It means you are saying, अरे गया तो था मेरी जान, गया तो था. I did go to market. I did go to market yesterday. So what is the difference between I did go to market and I went to market? Now tell me.
मार्केट मतलब मैं गया था बाजार.
So here it's our daily life, you know, like every day we say हाँ मैं गया था, मैंने खाया पिया उठा बिठा. Second form. But sometimes we say हाँ भाई गया था, क्यों नहीं मान रही हो, गया तो था. Then I did go there, Baba, I did go there. It's a lovely sentence, you know.
Same in the present tense. Yeah, I do go.
Yeah, of course. We can say in present indefinite and past indefinite. Yeah. Suppose if I ask you, hey, do you love me? And you say, करती तो हूँ, अब क्या जान लोगे, छाती चीर के दिखा दूँ. Yes, I do love you. You know, I do love you. So this is.
और सर अगर कंटिन्यूअस में बोलना हो, मैं जा तो रहा हूँ.
नहीं भाई, नहीं बनेगा.
नहीं बनेगा.
नहीं बने, impossible. Only present indefinite, past indefinite, order and possession.
Okay.
There are 4 categories. They accept this do, does, did as an emphatic way.
सर ऑर्डर और पोजीशन में कैसे बनेगा?
In order, if I say मेरे घर जलूल आना. मेरे घर, do come to my home.
ओके सर,
In
दो पहले
marriage,
लग जाएगा.
yeah, in marriage cards, it is written in Totli language.
हाँ, यस
जलूल
यस
आना.
सर.
Okay, and if I talk about possession, the state of possession, कि हाँ हाँ मेरे पास है तो सही भाई कार. Yes, I do have a car. I do have a car.
ओके
I do have a car. Like this.
ओके.
Whew. Fine guys, so give me 2 minutes break. I'm gonna call 2 people here. See, so now if I talk about interrogative, in interrogative also we have only one helping verb. Interrogative means first yes no question. It means if I say कि क्या कल तुम बाजार गए थे, it means I want to know yes or no, yes or no. So my question has to start with the helping verb, and the helping verb which we have is only did. So we will put did here, then subject, and did has the power to turn second form into first form. So we'll say, hey, did you go to market yesterday? Did you go to market yesterday? If somebody is asking you the question using did, the answer has to be either yes, I went to market, or no, I didn't go to market. Either positive or negative. Now, some people use shortcut, means short answer, short reply. How? If I say, hey, did you drink milk last night? Yes, I did. If somebody says, yes, I did, it means what? It means he is accepting that he drank milk. This is the short reply. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
This is a shortcut way to. He did not speak the full sentence. If he wanted, he could have spoken, yes, I drank milk last night. This is the full correct sentence, and this is the shortcut. Yes, I did, buddy. Yes, I did. No, I didn't. This is short reply. No, I didn't. It means no, I didn't drink milk last night. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Fine, guys.
Yes, sir.
So now, from Monday onwards, especially on Monday, we will start WH family. What is the date or day on date on Monday?
30.
30, eh? Are you sure? 30. Not 31st,
Yes,
30, eh?
Today
Okay, we will start WH family. Fair enough. I'm sending you one image, guys. You guys have to practice on the image.